Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over the warm-up for acids and bases naming. Remember that there were the three rules we used when naming acids, so make sure that you know those three rules, and then bases are named just like any other ionic compound. So look at number 1, we have hydrochloric acid. So since this has the prefix of hydro, this is using that first rule, so this is from chloride. Remember the formula for chloride is Cl off the periodic table, and it has a -1 charge. Since this is an acid, it starts with hydrogen, which has a +1 charge. So when we crisscross charges, we get HCl. Look at number 2. We have HClO2. If you look up ClO2, this is chlorite with an ITE ending. So remember, that means that it's going to use the root of the word, that second rule, so it's going to have the chlor, and it's going to end in OUS acid. So this will be chlorous acid. Looking at number 3, this does not have a prefix, but it ends in ic acid. So the chloric acid is based off of chlorate, which is ClO3 negative. Since it starts with hydrogen, that has a +1 charge. When we crisscross, this will be HClO3. Excuse me, my H didn't connect. There we go. Looking at number 4, we have HNO3. So NO3 is nitrate with an ATE ending. This is going to use that third rule. So it's going to have the nitra, the root of the word, and it's going to end in ic, followed by the word acid. So this will be nitric acid. That is that third rule. That also is the same that we used in number 3 above. Looking at sulfuric acid. This does not have a prefix, so it's not the first rule. And it ends in ic acid, so this is that third rule with an 8 ending as well. So this is from sulfate, which is SO4 with a -2 charge. This is going to begin with hydrogen because it's an acid, which is H+. And when we crisscross, we're going to get H2SO4. Looking at number 6, we have HC2H3O2. If you remember, C2H3O2 is your polyatomic acetate. So this is using that same third rule. That's kind of the more common one you come across. So this is the one that is acetic because it has that IC ending and then followed by the word acid. So acetic acid. 7 and 8 are both bases. Remember, those are named just like any other ionic compound. But bases end in hydroxide. So KOH, K is potassium, and OH is hydroxide. So that's nothing new. And then for strontium hydroxide, strontium is Sr. Since it is in the second column of the periodic table, it has a +2 charge. Hydroxide is OH with a negative charge. So when we crisscross, we get Sr. Don't forget OH should go in parentheses, followed by a 2 on the outside. So SrOH2. This concludes all of the types of nomenclature, so make sure that you're practicing and can use all of the different rules.